My next step is to consult my planning, and I can see that I need to create an instructions function. One way that I keep track of my planning is to label cards that have been completed by changing the color. I do know that some programmers prefer to archive things, which will work, as it removes them from the to-do list. And here's a test plan that we can use to confirm that our instructions component works correctly. To begin, go to your statement generator and tap F5. Then save it as CO2 instructions. Please update your statement generator comment and create a second function to display the instructions. Then copy the heading into your instructions function and ask the user if they want to see the instructions. See if you can write this code for yourself. Remember that in our test plan we said users can push enter to see the instructions or any key to continue. So here's the code. Please pause this video and see if you can comment it. And there's my comment. I do need to update my instructions, and one thing that we can do is we can have a print statement. And if I have 3 speech marks, I can then go all the way to the left hand side and put in some instructions. These are placeholders for now, but watch what happens when we run our code. When I push enter to see my instructions, I get my beautiful heading, and then the instructions are exactly as I've typed them within my triple speech marks. And of course, if I don't push enter, we just see that print statement telling us that the program continues. So far, we're making excellent progress. My next step is to ask the user what file type they want, and I have that listed as an extra function. Please create a new file called CO3 file type. On your screen, you can see the structure where we've got the function at the top of the code, and then we've called the function in the main routine. Note that at the start of each function, you need a comment. This is a great time to look at our test plan because it tells us what our function should accept and should not accept. So we're looking for integer, text, and image. XXX is an exit code, and we will also accept a lowercase I. To begin, we can ask the user to choose a file type. To make comparing things easy, we're going to lowercase their response. The first thing we can do is check if they say XXX or I, and in that case, we're simply going to return it. For our integer, text, and image, we allow users to have a number of things. An easy way to check for this is to see if the response is in a list. Note that our list has square brackets, and each thing inside the list is enclosed in speech marks. Can you complete this code and get it to check for text, images, or give an error message if it's not a valid response? Please pause this video and give it a go. You can get the contents for the list directly from your test plan. Please also remember to put in an else statement for if the user puts in something that's not valid. Can you write the code to output what the user chose and also loop it for testing purposes? Please pause this video and give it a go. And here's a convenient way to get some of our testing. We're going to loop the code, and if the user's put in the exit code, we're going to end the loop. As this video is getting a little bit long, we're going to continue this process in the next video.